Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to activate your WhatsApp without a verification code. Make sure to watch this video to the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to open your WhatsApp right here. Then from here, once you try to log in, as you can see, once you click on agree and continue, it's going to show that you need to put a phone number and then it will send a verification code. But if you would like to use it without getting any verification code, simply go to the top right section where you can see the three dots and then click on link as companion device. Click on right here and it's going to show you a QR code. All you have to do from your phone or your other WhatsApp is to go on it, and then you're going to go to the top right section where other three dots are. Then you're going to go to linked devices, and then from here you're going to click on link a device. Once you click on link a device, then you're going to simply scan the QR code as I'm doing right now. Once you scan the QR code and it lets you to log in, then as you can see, it's now loading your chats and is going to be used. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.